Cutting-edge BMW engine technology and intensive development work carried out by Alpina means output and torque are raised to a whole new level in the BMW ALPINA B7 BITURBO. The new 4.4-liter 8-cylinder engine with bi-turbo charging, petrol direct injection, and Valvetronic delivers an impressive output of 608 horsepower and a maximum torque of 800 Newton-meters. The power output of this high-tech engine unfolds smoothly and with impressive emphasis across the entire RPM range. Excellent throttle response and high torque ensure that even at low engine speeds, driver inputs are immediately transformed into impressive forward acceleration.